Yes, people, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download the Hamster Kombat app. And this is a full guide so you don't miss out on anything. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go to Telegram. And if you don't have Telegram, you have to download it, of course, first. Sometimes there is, in my app says open, but sometimes there is update. You have to update the app to run the latest version of the app, of course. But mine says open, so we can open the Telegram app. So if I am in my Telegram app, you see the search bar at the top of the Telegram app. Well, we have to search, and we go search for Hamster Kombat. Yes, so we are in Hamster Kombat, exactly in the bot. And if we tap start, we can tap play in one click. You can subscribe to the channel and you can ask some information how to earn from the game. Of course, we want to play in one click. Well, it opens the app and you see I already played some coins, but you can tap and you can earn some tokens. You can mine, you can have the playground, you can add some friends, you can invite some friends, and you get tokens for every invite. And you can earn more because you can do some tasks. Yes. So that was it. Hope you learned something. If you need more, ask in the description, in the comment section below, and I will help you.